Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Google Ads account. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Look for the Start Now button and click it to initiate the setup process. You'll then be prompted to select your main advertising objective, which helps tailor your experience. Finally, enter your business name and website address to personalize your new account. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Once your account is established, it's time to set up your first campaign. First, clearly define your target audience and the specific geographical areas you wish to reach. Next, choose a campaign type that aligns with your goals, perhaps a search campaign to appear on Google results or a display campaign for visual ads. Finally, set a comfortable daily or monthly budget. You have complete control over your spending. Now, let's focus on crafting effective ad copy. Your headlines are crucial. Aim for 3 to 5 compelling options that immediately capture user attention. Follow this with 2 clear and concise descriptions, each up to 90 characters, highlighting your unique selling propositions. Remember to incorporate relevant keywords throughout your ad text to ensure it appears for the right searches. This step is vital for attracting potential customers. Before launching, take a moment for a thorough review. Double-check all your campaign settings, including your budget, targeting, and ad copy, to ensure everything is accurate. Confirm that your billing information and preferred payment method are correctly entered. Once you are confident, click the Launch button to activate your campaign. Your ads will then begin appearing to potential customers, typically within 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.